Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a super different video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making banana bread. I've never done this before, but it seems to be a big deal right now. It's very trendy. I'm not much of a trendsetter, probably more of a trend follower. So that's why I'm here. So yeah, I'm gonna make some banana bread and yeah, that's just what I'm gonna do today. So let's go. Okay guys, so today I'm in my kitchen. Ignore my mom in the background, she's watching a drama, so if you hear anything, just ignore it. After going through Google and trying to find the best recipe, I just found the most simple one because I don't want to do that much work. I'll post the recipe on here and then you guys can just follow along if you want to, if this turns out good. First things first, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then it says in a mixing bowl right here. Maybe I should angle you guys down. You're good, I'm foil. In a mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas with a fork until completely smooth. I literally have to like duck if you want to see me. I guess my face doesn't really matter, so I'm just gonna mash these bananas here. Now I'm basically gonna add a 1/3 cup of melted butter. It's my mom playing games in the background. It kind of looks disgusting. It looks like vomit. Maybe it's because the butter is not melted. Then you're gonna mix in a dash of salt and then a teaspoon baking soda. Just like a teaspoon. I'm just using one of these guys, so hopefully that's enough. Stir this. 3/4 cup sugar. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup. Should I just F it and stir this in here, even though they're rocks? Oh yeah, fuck it. Heat an egg and vanilla extract. I feel like I was 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Gosh, I probably should have brought out my electric mixer. Oh my gosh, my hand hurts. Okay, so now, I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna set this to the side. So now that this is all buttered, I'm going to pour this into here. This batter tastes good. So now that it's in here, nice and whatever, it says to bake for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Let's just do 55. Right. So in the meantime, while it's cooking, I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made. I almost knocked on flour. Should I be eating banana bread at 9:30 p.m.? Probably not, but there are no rules in quarantine. So while we're waiting, but I just have some thoughts while doing this whole process. Like, what started it all? Like, why does quarantine equal banana bread? I feel like I would have never made banana bread if it wasn't for this quarantine. But now I know how, and I probably will, but you know what I'm saying? It's like, is it because we can't make the bread, so we make bread? Oh my god, that was so corny. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's rising. I didn't think it actually would. Like, I'm shocked. I hope it tastes good. It's almost time. It's almost time. So excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So I'm going to retrieve the banana bread now. Honestly, it smells amazing. Guys, I think I need to open my own bakery. This is probably how every single person in quarantine feels after making one successful bread thing, loaf. Oh my gosh. This actually looks so bomb. Should I like plate this nicely or what? Oh my, come look at my banana bread. Oh my god, you need to take a picture and upload this everywhere. Mom, I think I need to open a bakery. Look, 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 look.
Look delicious.
What should I do? Should I take it out and then slice it? Smells good. Smells really good. Mama, you can make your restaurant and I'll make a bakery next to it. Alright, well, while this cools down, my mom's gonna make coffee and drink coffee. She's going to be drinking coffee at 9:30 p.m. like a psychopath. I'm so excited. I hope this tastes good. I mean, it must taste like something. We'll be back for the slice and taste. I feel like this is a bad idea. Oh, nope. That was easy. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, honestly though? Are you kidding me right now? This must be why people have an addiction to baking bread in quarantine. Pretty dang proud of myself. Dang. Let's do a little sliceroo. It's not cool enough yet. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. This is like probably the most beautiful banana bread I've ever seen in my life. I've never even seen banana bread before. But it's like really moist. Let's cheers banana breads. You just ate it already. Cheers. Have you ever tried banana bread?
Yeah.
When? Oh, this is good.
One more piece.
One more. Honestly, I can't believe I've never tried banana bread before. Super easy to make. Would do it again. Quarantine approved, life approved. If you guys haven't tried banana bread, I really recommend it. You probably have all the ingredients at home. So yeah, that's basically it for today's video.
Moist.
Huh?
Moist.
Basically, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this random short cooking vlog. I actually really want to do more cooking videos, maybe like testing recipes videos and taste testing. I feel like that could be fun because I'm trying to pick up a new hobby like cooking because I'm not the best chef. But anyways, I hope you guys had fun in Jaime's kitchen. It's technically Jaime's mom's kitchen. I hope you guys stay tuned, stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon. On slow. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? My hands are killing me. I'm sweating.